Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I would show you guys my updated brow routine because I've been getting a lot of compliments and questions about it. So I am using the YSL brow pencil in the number 5. It comes with a spoolie so I can brush my brows. And when I have a little bit of hair sticking out or flyaways, I just like to shave those off. Like, it doesn't really mean that much to me. I go to the top and I also do that. Forget those 2 pimples on my nose. But I just go ahead and follow my brow bone. And I first line the bottom of my brows. And then that kind of helps me align where I want to, have my curve and my arch. I'm just going to speed through this because then I line the top of my brows and I just make sure that I am giving myself like not a straight brow but like an arch, and as I am filling my brows in, I go ahead and brush while I'm filling them in so they don't look too drawn on and they just blend really seamlessly. So I definitely recommend everyone doing that. I go a little heavier during the bottom versus going to the top and being a little heavy-handed at the beginning of my brow, because I just really don't want it to look like I am having like a question mark or a Nike sign on my brow. And then I just lightly feather the beginning of my brow, as you can see. Then I'm gonna go in with a black pencil. I know, but this is just to define the tip of my brow. I am dark skinned, so using a black one doesn't really hurt too much. And I'm gonna just use that to draw little hairs. I'm going in with the LA Pro Girl Concealer in Toffee with a flat brush. I've had this for the longest time. And then I use that to clean underneath my brows. I start with most of the product in the middle of where the arch is, and then the rest of the product I go towards the beginning of my brow. Enjoy this music because it's me, so like I wrote it and sang it, so enjoy the music. But I mean, back to the brows. So they're really nice, girl, or whatever, and they're super cute. I usually have my brows thicker, but I really like the way this is turning out. I'm using the bronzing brush by NARS. It's very thick and dense, but it blends seamlessly. I'm going in with a darker concealer on my eyebrows and gonna go to the top of my eyebrows versus using a really light one like I did at the bottom. The bottom I kind of go light because I wanted to also act as a primer for my eyeshadow base. So yeah. And then I just make sure everything isn't like misshaped, because I am very, very particular about my brows and how the shape is, because like brows really shape your face. If they're messed up, your entire face looks messed up. So I go back in with that brush and I just blend everything in again with that NARS bronzing brush. I love this brush because it's for a bronzer, but I don't really like bronze, so I use it for that and for my foundation. Honestly, it's like, look at it, amazing. So that is pretty much how I do my brows. I get a lot of questions as to how I do my brows. Now, sometimes I can do my brows thicker, but when I'm doing like a really dark eye or a smoky eye, I like for my eyes to be a little thinner. Just, I feel like it gives it a more sensual look. But that is it. I am on my way to work, so I have to go. So that is pretty much how I do my brows. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.